first you're gonna go towards the bottom of your camera, and it should have a knob and it should tell you which direction to open and close it. So go towards the open direction. I'm gonna open up. You're gonna have one reel over here and a slot for your film over here. Bottom and on the side. So what you're first gonna do is you're gonna take the lead of your film. You're gonna thread it through. If you want, you can always take this out first if it's easier, which sometimes it is, to just wrap it around, put your lead in, and just pull the side knob up to get it in there. Tricky. Be afraid to use a little pressure. Just make sure you keep your film tight. Hold it down. Then you're gonna take it across, and then you're gonna pull the other button on the side down. I'm gonna try to get this to where the knob goes in. This one's gonna be trickier than the first because it has the shape of the film, well, at the bottom. So you're going to try to pop that in there. And then that should be it. You should be good to go. And close. Turn the knob to the close position. And then you should be ready to do your film. It really should only go about halfway and go back, and then you'll do that until you've used all 6 or 12 frames. You should have a frame counter right up here. That's where your crank is going to stop for you to release. And then when you're out, it should just keep cranking. So then you can go, and you can open it again. Open it up, and your film will be rewound on the other side.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.